And so Frazzle is getting a refurb. This rain's horrible. Frazzle is getting a refurb. Hopefully it should be able to come out soon. When you push that it should come out, but obviously not currently. But as we come over here, we have Minecraft construction, and the entrance portal is gone, completely gone. I can't even show you over the fence, but this is crazy. Just last time we were here, it was like the portal's still there. It still said Wild Asia. I don't know about Dragon's Fury opening. This is actually horrible, guys. Yeah, I've seen a couple of videos that didn't have the construction walls before, but they put construction walls now as well as fencing. But yeah, let's see if we can get something here. I don't think you can see anything there. If you can see over there, there's some fences there for construction, but yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, Paw Patrol is coming on very nicely. We've got a massive pile of rubble right here, which is kind of interesting, isn't it? Because obviously the construction walls are way too high, but I'll go over to Safari at some point soon to get a good shot. But yeah. So here is another update for Chessington World of Adventures. As we can see here, we've got a stage for some summer entertainment by the looks of it. Hopefully coming soon. There hasn't been anything happening on this stage recently. But, I mean, because obviously with the recent announcement of entertainment being back at Chessington, the Lego City Live thing, police, whatever it is, and yeah, as we can see, I think we've got a little smoke machine over there in the back, but yeah, we'll see what happens with this stage. Yeah, poor old Mexicana will be missed greatly. Paw Patrol coaster. I think footers are in. Let's see if because I can't really see myself, but I can see through this little gap here. Yeah, footers are in. Absolutely incredible images that we're seeing here. As we can see, we've got some zoo construction here, B&E services. Interesting. Look. Very interesting. So as we can see, we've got Paw Patrol there for the kiddies. Just hyping up the crowd for the 2026 land, which is going to be Paw Patrol. Yeah. I've just realised that you can see construction from Dragon's Fury. Wow. That's insane. That is really insane.
Yeah. It's at least a 9
It's 13 times 4.
13. Okay.
Yeah, but we're about to get on Fury. I think it's running 8 cars. That is crazy. Paw Patrol construction is coming on nicely there. Probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah, footers are looking brilliant. 30 minutes there for safari. Don't know about that. Yeah, footers, like, it's coming on brilliantly. Construction. Footers are in. And there's construction for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe. Got my stealth bottle. Yeah, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more construction updates.